Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for tuning in to today's fire weather briefing. My name is Leanne, and I'll be walking us through the briefing and discussing today's weather threats and the upcoming forecast through next week. Today's big story will be the passage of a cold front and the low pressure system associated with it, and will bring about the development of afternoon and evening thunderstorms across the entire forecast area. The graphic shown here shows two shades of green. There's a lighter green and a darker green. The lighter green shade depicts the area where general thunderstorms are possible. However, the area shaded in darker green shows a more focused area where stronger storms could develop. And when we say stronger storms, we mean one or two sub-severe storms that could form and become severe over time later today. So, we'll be keeping a close eye on thunderstorms as they generate and strengthen. And if there are any active burns ongoing or wrapping up today, we'll be sure to give those specific locations a call if or when we see something strong heading in your direction. Again, the storms should form between 1400 and 2100, although a few could actually linger thereafter, but that's the time frame where we're expecting the strongest storms to occur. Now, I've included an animation here to show what our forecast models are projecting for thunderstorm placement and timing. The green splotches here represent precipitation and or storms that may develop, and this shows the direction that this particular forecast model is projecting the storms to travel. This should give you a better idea of where storms might trek and if they'll affect areas that may be of concern to you. Now, this is only one model projection, nothing set in stone, but it does give an idea of what to expect today. Once today's cold front passes, a strong easterly gradient will develop, bringing gusty east winds to much of the area. This particular animation shows wind direction, which is indicated by the blue wind bars, with east winds likely to linger through late Sunday across most of the area. Gusts could be pretty strong, particularly Friday into Saturday and across mostly western Montana. In addition, precipitation circulating around the low pressure system to the south, which is depicted here by shades of green and blue. This area shows a focused amount of precipitation around the southern portion of the Montana border and points located south of there. This system will keep precip going through much of the weekend, but it should stay well south of much of our region. With the east winds and the lingering cloud cover and precipitation, we do expect temperatures to be about 10 to 20 degrees cooler than what they have been, with humidity values much higher. Now, going beyond Sunday, the trend of cooler weather and wetter weather continues, with no large burn window opportunities seen as of yet. This is because another low pressure system will be sinking south out of western Canada and into Montana and Idaho, delivering precipitation and continued cooler temperatures for a large portion of the northern Rockies. The timing of this system is still rather questionable, since our forecast models never really do that far out, never do well that far out in the future, but this is something we'll be discussing heavily on Sunday's fire weather briefing. And with that perfect segue, I'll remind all of you that our next briefing will be Sunday, May 8th, with more details on the upcoming weather patterns for the Northern Rockies. If you have any questions, we're always here for you. Thanks, and have a great weekend.